Tonight on Chef Hemida's Kitchen, we're making the dish that turns I'm just hungry into okay, I'm in love. Marry me chicken pasta. Picture this: tender, juicy chicken, a creamy, dreamy sauce with a little kick, and pasta that soaks up every last drop like it was made for it. In the next few minutes, Chef Hemida will show you how to get that restaurant-level flavor at home. No complicated steps, no fancy ingredients, just a knockout result that looks impressive and tastes even better. So grab your pot, warm up that pan, and don't blink, because once this sauce hits the pasta, you'll understand exactly why they call it Marry Me. We'll need 400 grams pasta, 4 chicken thighs, half a liter cooking cream, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 30 grams butter, half a cup flour, and 1 teaspoon cornstarch. Add spinach, basil, garlic, green chili, and half a lemon. For flavor, rosemary, sun-dried tomatoes, oregano, mustard, tomato paste, chicken stock, plus salt, black pepper, and paprika.
If you enjoyed today's video and you want more new recipes, please support Chef Hemida's Kitchen with a like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss a new episode. See you next time.